In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bills in Zoho Books. Whether you're a business owner, an accountant, or someone managing expenses, learning how to keep your financial records tidy is essential for running a smooth operation. Zoho Books is a great tool for this, and we'll walk through the process together so you can master it in no time. Start by signing into your Zoho Books account. Once you're on the Zoho login page, click on the Sign In button. This will take you to the Sign In options page. Here you can choose your preferred method for logging in. If you're using a Google account, simply click on the Google option. Then select the appropriate account from the list if you have multiple accounts to ensure that you're signed into the correct profile. Remember, it may take a little time to load depending on your internet speed, so just be patient. Once you're signed in, navigate to the Purchases tab. This section is where you'll manage all your purchasing activities within Zoho Books. Within the Purchases tab, click on Bills. This takes you to a list of all the bills that have been recorded in your Zoho Books account. To create a new bill, look for the Create a Bill button and click on it. This action opens a new bill creation form where you'll input all the relevant details for the bill you're adding. Begin by entering the vendor name. This is crucial as it identifies from whom the purchase was made. Next, proceed to the bill number field. This number helps you keep track of each individual bill, so it should be unique and specific. You also have the order number section. Here, input any reference number associated with the order. It's useful for tracking and cross-referencing with other documents. Then move on to add the bill date. This is the date that appears on the bill, indicating when it was issued. Subsequently, fill in the due date. This information is important for managing your payment timelines. Right after the due date, you'll want to specify the payment terms. These terms outline the agreed payment conditions with the vendor, which can include details like net payment dates and any early payment discounts or penalties for late payment. Don't forget to include a subject or description for the bill, which gives you a quick overview of what the bill is for, and enter the item details to list all goods or services the bill covers. This information not only makes the bill clear but also helps with inventory and expense tracking later on. Once everything is filled out, take a moment to review the entries for accuracy. When you're satisfied everything looks correct, click on Save as Open. This action will save your bill in the system, allowing you to open it again for future reference or to make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it. You've just created a bill in Zoho Books. It's a straightforward process once you know your way around. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you manage your expenses more efficiently.